We're going to Bossard, because I coolest much if you went. We're going to birthday midnight.
Yay, I got fine got me right now. I got for you and grounded, because I love to you.
I got idea. Let's go.
Can we go to McDonald's please?
No.
Oh, no.
You're our grounded. Fuck Maine.
You grounded? Go bed now, fuck Maine.
I know. I'm play Toco Blocks too because I don't want.
Bird, come downstairs right now. I can't believe we are going to school today. That's it. You're grounded for nothing. Go to bed now.
I'm watching play YouTube.
You're in grounded. You not now.
La amigo Rodney may he finally fucking best team somebody. You're done.